Good morning, students of class 4. Today we are going to learn about another type of force that is known as friction or frictional force. So let us understand that. What is that? What is a friction force? A friction is a force that slows things down. Let us take an example of this. Okay, this is an ice cube tray where there are so much of friction over it. Let's see. Let us try to ride this. Try to move this car over here. It will not move easily because there is too much of friction over here. But when I remove the ice tray and I slide my vehicle over here, it will move easily because there is less friction. So what does a friction do? Is a force that slows things down. A ball rolling on a rough surface. When you roll a ball on stones or anywhere, the ball will take very long time to come to you. The soles of your shoes, okay, have threads to help you walk without slipping or sliding. Now this boy is trying to push the cupboard, but he has not been able because there's too much of friction on the floor. But if it would be wheel, it would have moved easily. Okay, now even this boy is trying to pull the table, but he's finding it difficult because there is too much of friction over here on the floor. If there would been a wheel, then he would have easily moved it easily. Now let us bring our hands in front and let's start rubbing it. We do that during the winters when we feel very cold, and that's for a reason. Keep on doing it for 10 times faster, you will feel the warmness. The reason is that in your hands you just check, you have razors over here. The razors are acting as friction. Okay, when you rub this too, it provides friction and it brings warmness. All right, so once again, friction or frictional force. So friction is a force that acts when two surfaces move or slide against one another. So force opposes that motion of an object. So friction is a force that opposes the motion of an object. So motion means action of moving or changing places, move from one place to another. It causes when there's too much of friction. It causes moving objects to slow down or come to stop completely. If there's too much of friction, nothing will move. Okay, if there's too much of friction also, nothing will move. A ball will roll at a long distance on a smooth floor than a carpet. You try this also today. And you can try this at home also. If I roll a toy car down a ramp, it will roll at a long distance on the floor than the carpet because there's less friction on the floor. Okay, and on the carpet it will not roll at a far distance. Okay class?